So, yeah. Week 1 was not related to the text-based game. It was just practice, just getting some people more comfortable with the idea of class hierarchies.
And in actual fact, because obviously what was mostly covered in week 1 was the concept of abstracts and inheritance, and we are going to start, I presume, start off by talking about a better way of doing things, really.
Yeah. I do want to continue week 1 and ask if anybody has any more questions about what we covered. So questions about abstract, virtual, class hierarchies, stuff like that.
Yeah, specifically in the inheritance-related material that we covered, because what we're about to show you is slightly different and looks confusingly similar.
Right, and I really want people to get caught up with the idea of abstract and virtual, because that, like Gavin said, that leads right into what we're about to be covering next. Okay, I'm lost when it comes to setting up properties. Why the get and set? Well, a property is, in essence, one or two methods. So, for example, if we have a person class, and he has a private string name field. Now, this is a field. This is data that every object instantiated from the person class will contain. However, it is not good programming practice to allow other people to edit this field directly. We don't want anybody but the person class itself orchestrating, making changes to its internal data. It's a very, very, very important object-oriented principle that classes own the data that they contain, and they are the arbiters as to how that data gets modified and how it gets accessed. So that's why we have this private access modifier right here. We're specifying that this field is indeed private, which means we can't access it directly. So if I say var person equals new person, I can't say person.name equals Nelson. That's impossible. And it's impossible because of the protection level of the field.